Hey y'all, so this is my first vlog. I don't know how this thing's supposed to work, so y'all just gonna go through the trial and error with me. I need to remind myself to talk to the camera and stop looking at the screen. Very guilty of doing that, but yes, as you guys can see, I am, well, y'all don't mind that noise. That is my son in his room playing, doing his thing. But y'all, I am in my beauty room. I'm actually in the process of packing because I'm about to move soon. So yeah. Hey baby.
Hey baby.
So yeah, in the process of doing that.
Mommy?
Yes.
I'm
Anyways, yeah. Anyways, y'all, like I was saying, I'm in the process of packing up my beauty room. I'm gonna show y'all what it kind of looks like up in here. It's kind of a hot mess. Most of my stuff is packed up already. I still have like a few things to finish packing up. But yeah, let me show y'all what everything is looking like so far. All right, y'all, so this is what everything is looking like. This is my vanity here, my little wig heads, and pretty much everything is empty out of the drawers. Well, I still got a few miscellaneous stuff in there, but that's okay. That stuff can stay. I am going to be putting my vanity drawer inside of storage, so I still got my skincare fridge still running. There's my hooded dryer. There's my I'm filming sign. And yeah, look at my letter that my girl Rachel sent me. Oh, it's a little dark, but yes, my girl Rachel sent this to me. I don't remember how many subscribers I hit, but yeah, she sent this to me in the mail, and she also sent me a cute little mug as well. So Rachel, if you're watching this, hey girl, miss you. And I got that taped up on my wall. So yeah, this is one of, ooh, why am I still zoomed in? So this is one of my drawers. It still has things inside of it. I need to clear that out. Here's a little crate with some of my acrylic organization things, you know, the aesthetics, getting that nice and right. And shout out to Influencer for, you know, hooking your girl up with them packages. Here's my little area where I be filming at. Yeah, I know, hot mess. Yeah. Yeah, my carpet is a mess. It needs to be cleaned. But here is my first suitcase, y'all. This is nothing but makeup, skincare products, my perfume, and it has one bag that has like my hair tools in it. I should have recorded myself packing up this suitcase, but I wasn't thinking about it. That was like the last thing on my mind. But yeah. And then over here is my other cart. Still got some natural hair products up in here, but as y'all can see, these drawers are very empty. Here is my closet. I need to take this stuff down. That's my Yoni steaming pot. This little box right here is just full of like my nail supply stuff, and then that's my little foot thingy where I do my, what is it, pedicure or is it manicure? Manicures for hands. This is my little foot soaker for pedicures. And then there's my little robe that I always be wearing inside my videos. Here's my spray bottles for my hair. This is a spray bottle of Fabuloso, the lavender scent. And I have like a little cleaning rag up there, you know, just to clean my little area whenever I'm done. And then here are some more suitcases. So this black suitcase is nothing but shoes. That little purple suitcase in the back, What's in there? Like my hair accessories, hair scarves, my wig supplies, stuff for my wigs, things like that. And then inside this purple suitcase is my natural hair products. Y'all, I got a whole suitcase full of natural hair products. And all of my products couldn't even fit in there. Sad, isn't it? Yeah, I know. And then I still gotta pack up this, which is my little shoe organizer full of my hair tools. So yeah, I still gotta pack that up. So yeah, guys, that is my beauty room in the process of getting packed up, getting ready to get the ASAP. Oh my goodness. If you know where that's from, comment down below. But yeah, I need to go inside of my room. Well, not my room. Oh shoot, camera wasn't even on me. I need to go to the master room and like fold up my clothes so it could fit inside this bin. Y'all, I'm not ready to do that. Not sure if I'm gonna record that or not, but what's up?
What are you doing?
I'm recording. What are you doing?
Nah.
But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record that process. Maybe like towards the end. I don't know. It's gonna be a long process. But yeah, I ended up getting cut off. I hope that was recorded. But yeah, I'll end up seeing y'all once when that process happens, or I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am back on the cam. I am currently inside the kitchen putting some dishes away. I was supposed to be folding up my clothes, but yeah, I didn't feel like doing that. So I'm gonna just show y'all this cute little mug that my girl Rachel got me, and it says, "Hey boo, if you know, you know." I'm just kidding. If you know, well, if you've been watching me for a while, that you know that I be saying "Hey boo" inside my intro. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got my little helper in here. He's helping me putting these dishes away. Yeah. But I just want to show y'all the cute little mug, and I'm just about to get back into putting these dishes away. All right, y'all, so I just dumped all my stuff here on the floor because I'm about to fold all these clothes and put it in here. I'm trying to make space in here so my clothes that are on hangers can fit in here. So let's just see how this goes. Oh, by the way, I got this big old bin from Walmart. I had this bin for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, whatever. It's all beat up, and there's my little helper right there.
Okay.
So yeah, still in my pajamas. I just put on I just put on a hoodie because it's like a little cold in here. Watch out. from the left. This is all the clothes that I just folded up. Hey y'all, so it's like 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6:19, and I'm cooking dinner. So tonight we're having spaghetti with fried fish. So I didn't know that was a thing until I was scrolling on the Blue app, or the book. I call it the Blue app. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about Facebook. So apparently that's a thing. So it was like a great debate. People was like, is spaghetti a side or is it a main dish? So like when I was growing up, spaghetti was the main dish. Like I never grew up with spaghetti and fried fish or spaghetti with fried chicken. Huh? Huh? But yeah, I grew up with spaghetti as being the main dish. I never knew that was a thing. Comment down below if you grew up as spaghetti being the main dish or a side dish. And if it was a side dish, what did you like? What did you eat it with? Did you eat it with fried chicken or did you eat it with fish? Let me know in the comments down below. So right now, I'm just making my spaghetti. Cause like I'm not about to fry the fish right now because you really want it to be like nice and fresh. So I'm gonna get the spaghetti out the way and then fry the fish up real quick. And we gonna see how this tastes. Like, how do you eat it? Do you eat the spaghetti with the fish or do you eat it separately? Like, y'all, I'm so mind blown. So we got these nice sized pieces of catfish that I'm about to cut in half like this, and I'm about to season them. Fish going right now. It is simmering. Got the noodles, they almost done, and got my vegetables going in the back. Because these vegetables around here, period. So while all that is cooking up, I season my spaghetti with the Tony seasoning, some salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. I chopped up some onions, some fresh garlic, and I put some sugar in there. And then for the fish fry batter or whatever, it was pre-made. I think it's the Zatarain's.
Nope.
If I could find a picture of the pre-fried mix thing that I use, I'll leave a picture on the screen here so you guys can see what I use to batter my fish up. And I'm gonna show y'all a final plate after everything is done cooking. My kitchen light is terrible for lighting, but we're about to have our first bite of this. I don't know if you're supposed to mix the spaghetti with the fish, but that's what I'm about to do. So got the fish and the spaghetti. Cheers. Bon appetit.
What?
Where put your charger? I think it's in the room. Y'all may be on to something. Whoever made this concoction with spaghetti and the fried fish, it's pretty good. Will I do this again? Yes, I will. But I still think spaghetti is a main dish meal. And that's on that. So I got my cup of tea, iced tea with lemonade. Feeling fancy, you know. So I'm about to go out there and go eat dinner with my family. And I'll be back to close out this video.